Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to hide or show all or some albums in the gallery app of Samsung smartphones and tablets. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly just open the gallery application. And now you will see here different albums present on my respective Samsung smartphone. So in order to hide all these albums, what you need to do is just click on this three dot icons. Now you'll see here hide albums option, just click on it. Now you can select your respective albums which you want to hide. So let me select. So I want to hide all the albums. So if you want to hide only some albums, just select only some albums. So right now I will select all the albums since I want to hide all the albums. So once you have selected all the albums that you want to hide, now just move back. Now you can see here no albums. So all the albums present on my respective gallery application are being hidden. So if you want to show it again, just once again go back to the same option. Just click on this three dot icons. Click on this hide albums and just unselect all the albums that you want to unhide. So once you have unselect it, just move back. Then it will show back all the albums. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily hide or show all or some albums in the gallery app of Samsung smartphones and tablets very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button. And if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.